So this is everything that I'm using. First, we have the Dark and Lovely Fade Resistant Hair Dye. It's in the color Light Golden Blonde, and I'm just using this to lighten my hair. And this is just showing you the colors that it will lighten to based off of what color you're starting off with. And then for the actual hair color, we're using Adore. We have Sunrise Orange, Paprika, and Cajun Spice. I'm not sure the exact ratios of all these I'm going to be using. Maybe we're just going to wing it. We'll see. And then, of course, I have my gloves. I have my shower cap. I have some paper towels just in case. I don't know what's going to happen. And then I have my mixing bowl and my brush. And then this is the shampoo I'm going to be using. It's the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. No, you can just read the rest of it. And then I'm going to be using this deep conditioner treatment. I'm not sure if anything comes in the hair dye. I didn't even really read it. It comes with conditioner, but I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. But yeah, that is all of the supplies that I'm using. And now we're just going to get straight into it. Okay, let me make sure we're focused. We gotta see eye to eye. Okay, so I look like really crazy. But let me just show y'all what we got going on. This is a trash bag. I flipped it upside down. I put a hole in the middle, and then I put two arms on the side because I don't have like a cape and I don't want to get any bleach or any dye on any of my clothes. And then I separated my hair already. Don't mind my eyebrows. I know, listen y'all. I just came back from a hard day of work. Yeah. So I look crusty. But like, this is the step one preparation to me getting ready for my birthday, which is on Sunday, April 2nd, y'all. I'm an Aries. But I just took everything out of the box. So, first things first, we're gonna put on the gloves. Actually, very nervous about this. And then I'm just gonna mix everything in this bowl. We're gonna completely empty out everything because we're gonna use all of this on our hair. So I got everything mixed. I don't want to spill it, but this is what it looks like. It's kind of a yellowish type of, I'm not even gonna lie to you, this kind of just looks like mucus. Like if you had like a bad cold, this is what it looks like. Ugh. Or pus or something. It just, ugh, it looks nasty. It smells really, it smells good though, but like as soon as I opened up the powder and stuff, like that stuff was choking me. So I had to open up a window. Make sure you got some air. You're in a well ventilated area, and you have gloves, and you are covering up your clothes, or you're wearing clothes you don't care about. So, because the ends of my hair is already lighter than the roots, I'm gonna go through and do the ends first, and then I'm gonna go through and do my roots. I do kind of want my roots to be just a little bit lighter than the rest of my hair. If it's not lighter, then that's fine. But like, I kind of do want my roots to be a little bit lighter. So I'm not going to wait in between. As soon as I finish doing the ends, I'm just going to move up and do the roots. And so we're at this kind of weird angle. Well, I don't know if it's really weird, but I have a mirror in front of me and a mirror behind me. Because like, I am dyeing my hair myself. So I want to make sure that I'm getting every spot, because when I dyed my hair the first time, there was like a little section that I had missed. But we don't want that to happen this time. So we are going to start on this side. I need to read the instructions. I need the instructions for how long to put it on. Okay. Oh no. Woo! Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Please tell me that like I got it everywhere, because I'm really nervous. But we're gonna take off the gloves. We're gonna put this on, and I'm gonna read the instructions. Okay, this just says for 60 minutes. That's a really long time. I think I did this for, I'm gonna do 55 minutes to compensate for all the time that it was taking. Yeah, so we're gonna check back in 55 minutes. So y'all, this did not go how I thought it would. Like, the ends, they look nice, that's the color that I wanted, but the roots were not it at all. Like, it was just so splotchy. Then when I washed it out, it wasn't what I wanted. So I decided to just go through with actual bleach, and I believe I used like 30 developer. So I tried to just get that like only on that dark spots and not try to go over the light spots, to over process it. This is probably over processing it anyway, but it wasn't the color that I wanted, and I feel like I probably should have just bleached it from the beginning, but I was too scared. So this is what I had to do. And, it came out looking a little bit better than before. So I'm not complaining that much. So for one, please don't mind my hairy pits. When I finish filming this, I'm about to wax them. But this is what the color is looking like. I washed my hair twice using my shampoo. Oh, also try to use a moisturizing shampoo. That's what my friend told me you should try to use after bleaching your hair. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so it's not like 100% even, but like this isn't the color I'm keeping it. I just wanted to lighten it. So I mixed my Cajun, can you see? I mixed my Cajun spice and I mixed paprika together. I kind of just did half and half. Like, that's like the best explanation of the ratio I can explain to you guys. But now I'm going to use the nourishing conditioner cream that came with the hair dye. Keep inside this pack. I'm going to mix that in with the hair dye as well. Actually, I have one already opened from another time. So we're going to use the rest of this one and see if we need to add in that. And even though I only dyed the back of my hair, of course I washed my whole head, and I'll still put some of the conditioner in the rest of my hair so it can all just deep condition. But I'm out of these bags, so I guess I'm gonna have to use some regular plastic bags. This is what we have in there, so now we're gonna mix the conditioner in. So I'm hoping that I like this color. I think maybe I'll add all of this stuff just smells so good. Probably to hide all the chemicals that's in it. And this is the color. We're actually just gonna use the one I used before, and I'm just gonna like drape it over me like that. Hopefully not get any anywhere else that I don't want it. And then of course I'm gonna have to put my hair back in a ponytail to separate it, and then we're just gonna go through and put all of the dye on my hair. And my wave's not gonna be ready, so kill the person the most, ignore the face. You have to slow down your neck. So my camera died right in the middle of me dyeing, and I couldn't really stop and wait for it to charge, so I just went through. I finished putting the dye on my hair, and then I put the deep conditioner on top, and it's been a good 20 minutes. It says to leave it on for 15, but I still needed my battery to charge. So I guess we're gonna take it off now just to see what it's looking like, what the hair is looking like. So this turned out more so red than orange. Reddish, or I don't know if that's just because it's wet. Oh wait, no, on camera it looks orange. Maybe it's just the lighting, and it is wet, so it'll probably look lighter. So yeah, y'all, this is the color that came out. You know, I'm not complaining. It looks really good to me. It's a little splotchy, but that's fine. And then this is just what it looked like straight after I did a nice little retwist. It looks pretty good to me. Like, it's not 100%. Next time I'll do better, but you know, it was good enough for my birthday. It was good enough for me for now. And then this is what my hair looked like the next day. And then the next video is how I styled it on my birthday. And it came out so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, my mind.